Haba buteng ban pelong ka jingwad ya ka sonam ka badai ka kurim jong ulanot ba syak penyap raja raguwanshi haka ba ya ka medyap jong ula lap di na ka jakariat ka bajeliu hak syat wei saudong ki pulit haka sauterik jeliu kila lap di ya ka raincoat ka bakha jabo na ka te ka jaka. Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim ula pentik na halur ka jingyo atam ya ka weka raincoat ka bakha jabo Henry ula ong bakadang kloy than ban pentik na la ka don jinga day ni bat ka sonam raguvanshi ka barang ja ngai hadu menta ngila yo atam ya ka raincoat ka bajhe kidon kidak kha jakhlya Henry ngim patla ban pentik na la kini kidak ki day ni ka dien snam tat hadien bangin le ya ka forensic test ban la ban pentik na ong uhe pulit haka baya day bat kani jingwad ka badang beteng uba vivek ula ong bah ka sngi ki kin huan ba pher kila khanra lut ki jaka ki badan haka thani we saudong hadien bakala donno ka jing sha panthot namar ka jing ther jong slam watla katta kani ka jingwad kala beteng shaki jaka ba marjan ka jingyo tam ya kani ka raincoat kala wan long ru shisni hadien baki pulit kala lap dien ya ka white bala pendan kam haka ba penyap ya uraja raguwanshi haka ba ya ka met yap jong ula lap na ka jakariat hak shat wei saudong hadien ba ula jar ngai haringkat ka kurim jong u haka jingwan shangkai sngob ha sha sora ngila yo tam ya ka white ka badang thamai bala pendan kam tang na ka benta kani ka kam penyap na ka shat wei saudong ong Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim. Da ka ba pentik na baka de ka kam penyam USP ula ong uni unong Indore ula sya penyam kam don ka no ko jingkali da kumwai pan bat ngila register case kam penyam baka jing pendu iki sakhi satar kam don ka jing arta tien baka de ka kam penyam ni hapan wat ya ka daw ka ba shalendat jong kani ula ong ru baya kani ka case kila shim kum ka kam ka bahak mat e bar ka kinhun special investigation team SIT balakli da uba SPCT ba Herbert Kharkungor kala ya shakman ban pelong ya jing toket halor kani ka jingja ya uba Herbert anya rap lang da ki sangot ki deputy superintendent of police DSP crime DSP city DSP operation but SDPO sora nalor arngot ki sub inspector ya kita ki syukurim ki badai na Indore Madhya Pradesh ki balawan poi hanongriat hak arpu artru jemang layo I khaddu hak arpu latru jemang hadien bakilami na shipara homestay ringkat pat way unongelam lenti na kathan ya ka skuti jongki ka bagi shuwai lalap na sora rim hak arpu sautru jemang hadien balas dang ban pelong ya ka jingwan
There are about more than 50 to 60 people, SOT, NDRF, SDRF, Fire and Emergency Services, the SIT team is there, and people from South Police Station, and also the local volunteers. It was only on the second that, second would be, was on the second, second or third. The weather got cleared. Otherwise, the weather was very inclement and torrential rains were there, which was making it very difficult even though we use NESAC drones. So when the weather cleared up, we could actually find the body and other evidence out there. So let's hope the weather clears up and gives us more visibility to find more evidence. Yeah. A lot of theories will be there. I can understand the minds of the public. A lot of theories are there. SIT has been formed. We'll go and gather evidence and collect and get to the facts of the matter. So right now, like I said from the beginning, all possibilities are there, but all possibilities are there, and so we go by the facts and the circumstances and the evidence collected from the scene of crime. Thereon, we'll get to know which direction we'll take. But at about 11:15, we recovered in AV viewpoint, which is about 5 meters from the road going to Mohma. We found this black wheat raincoat, and there are certain stains out there, but we can't confirm whether they're blood stains. Only forensics will be able to say whether they're blood stains. Seizure has been made. We'll compare with the footages we have, whether it belongs to the female or not. And only after some time only we can confirm whether it belongs to the female, because the size also is a 3XL raincoat. Search, since that the Vaisaudong is actually almost 3 levels of terrain out there, so and the place, the undergrowth also is thick out there, Today we had to do AV point, and then before we wanted to do Vesaudong again, it started raining. So huge heavy rains out there. And beyond that, we will be going to the peripheries of those places to look for more evidence.